Alright, buckle up buttercups, because I'm about to drop a truth bomb that might just shatter your screen. You think your sleek, shiny smartphone is the peak of tech? Huh. Think again. Because the very device you're probably watching this on right now, it's going extinct. Yeah, I said it. Smartphones are officially on their way out, joining pagers and flip phones in the tech graveyard. And trust me, it's not because they're getting any less useful, it's because something way cooler, way more intuitive, and way more integrated is coming to take its place. Get ready to ditch your phone forever. Let's be real, despite how much we love them, smartphones are kind of annoying, right? We spend hours hunched over, staring down, swiping, tapping, getting tech neck and missing the world around us. They're a barrier, a constant distraction pulling us away from genuine human connection and immersive experiences. Plus, how many times have you dropped it? Or run out of battery at the worst possible moment? These clunky glass rectangles dictate how we interact with information and each other. It's time for an upgrade, a liberation from the tyranny of the tiny screen. So, what's going to replace these digital shackles? It's not another, better phone, oh no. We're talking about a fundamental shift from carrying a device to living the technology. Imagine a world where information, communication, and intelligence aren't locked inside a glowing rectangle, but are seamlessly integrated into your very perception, your very being. It's about making technology disappear into the fabric of our lives, making it so intuitive, so natural, that you don't even notice it's there. This isn't just an upgrade, it's an evolution of human-computer interaction. First up on our smartphone killing hit list, neural interfaces, or brain-computer interfaces. Yeah, you heard me right. We're talking about technology that directly connects to your brain. Forget typing, forget swiping, forget even talking. Soon, you'll simply think your commands, and the world will respond. Imagine sending a message, controlling complex software, or even experiencing virtual worlds with just your thoughts. This isn't just sci-fi anymore, it's becoming a mind-bending reality, promising an unparalleled level of interaction, speed, and immersion that no smartphone could ever hope to deliver. But how does this sorcery actually work? Neural interfaces involve tiny sensors, either external like advanced EEG caps, or eventually, microscopic implants within the brain itself. These sensors read the electrical signals generated by your neurons as you think. Advanced AI algorithms then decode these signals, translating your intentions directly into actions. Want to open an app? Just think it. Need to send a quick email? Your brain does the typing. It's like having a universal remote control for reality, powered by your own consciousness. The precision and speed are mind-bogglingly fast. The benefits of neural interfaces are absolutely insane. Think about it, instantaneous communication without typing. Controlling any smart device, drone, or vehicle with just a thought. Navigating complex virtual and augmented realities with pure mental intention. No more fumbling with menus, no more lag, just seamless extension of your will into the digital world. This isn't just about replacing your phone, it's about upgrading you. It's about unlocking capabilities we can barely imagine, making human-computer interaction so fluid it feels like an extension of your own nervous system. Pure magic. Next up to kick your smartphone to the curb, augmented reality contact lenses. Forget clunky VR headsets or awkward smart glasses. Imagine contact lenses so discreet, so advanced, that they project digital information directly onto your retina, blending seamlessly with your real-world view. Your eyes become the screen, without blocking your actual vision. Directions appear on the pavement, friends' names pop up over their heads, real-time data floats effortlessly in your line of sight. It's like having a superpower, giving you instant, contextual information without ever breaking eye contact with the world. How do these magical lenses work their charm? These tiny marvels use micro-LEDs or advanced light field projection to beam pixels directly onto your eye. This creates an augmented layer over your natural vision. Instead of looking at a screen, you're looking through a screen that enhances reality. Want to know the name of that bird? Just look at it. Need directions to the nearest coffee shop? Arrows appear on the street. It's always on, always contextual, and completely hands-free. This isn't just information at your fingertips, it's information at your eye tips. The real game changer with AR contact lenses? You're no longer tethered to a physical device. No more pulling out your phone, no more awkwardly holding it up. Your eyes are free to roam, to engage with the world and the people in it, while still having access to all the digital intelligence you need. You get directions, messages, and calls, all without ever looking away. It means more real-world engagement, less head-down scrolling. It's about bringing technology into your life, not making your life about technology. Freedom from the screen, baby. Okay, get ready for this: holographic communication. Forget blurry video calls and choppy connections. Imagine talking to someone, not on a flat screen, but as a full, three-dimensional projection right in your living room. It's like they're actually there, feeling their presence, seeing their genuine reactions in 3D. This isn't just about seeing, it's about being there. Families separated by continents could share a meal, colleagues could brainstorm around a virtual table, all with an unprecedented sense of presence. Say goodbye to pixels and hello to genuine projection. So, how do we leap from 2D video to full 3D holograms? The tech involves advanced light field displays and sophisticated volumetric projections that create incredibly realistic, interactive 3D images in real time. These aren't just flat images, they have depth and can be viewed from multiple angles, truly mimicking physical presence. Imagine projecting your colleague into your office, or your grandma into your kitchen for a chat. You could walk around them, see them from every angle, making remote interactions feel incredibly intimate and real. It's beyond immersive, it's transformative. The impact of holographic communication is monumental. It brings back the nuanced, nonverbal cues that are often lost in traditional video calls. The feeling of shared space, the ability to make genuine eye contact, the subtle body language, all become possible again, regardless of physical distance. This means deeper, more meaningful connections with loved ones and more effective, collaborative work environments. No more Zoom fatigue, just vibrant, engaging, almost in-person interactions. This isn't just communication, it's reconnection on a whole new dimension, making truly present interactions a reality across any distance. Next up, transforming how we interact with information, the evolution of voice AI. Forget your basic Siri or Alexa, we're talking about an omnipresent, hyper-intelligent, context-aware AI assistant that anticipates your needs before you even voice them. It's not just waiting for commands, it's part of the environment, woven into your smart home, your car, your wearables, quietly optimizing your day. It learns your habits, preferences, and even your mood, acting as an invisible extension of your will, making every interaction seamless and intuitive. Your smartphone simply can't compete with that level of omnipresent smarts. How does this super smart voice AI operate? It's all about advanced machine learning and natural language processing, combined with a vast network of environmental sensors. This AI doesn't just recognize keywords, it understands context, intent, and even emotion. It learns your routine, when you wake up, what news you like, your usual coffee order. It can proactively dim the lights when you settle down to read, or pre-order your favorite drink on your commute, all without you lifting a finger or uttering a command. It's an invisible butler for your entire life, anticipating your every need. The biggest win for advanced voice AI? Utter freedom from interfaces. No more fumbling for your phone to check the weather, set a timer, or play music. Just speak naturally, or even just think, if combined with neural interfaces, and your environment responds. This creates an incredibly fluid, low-friction existence where technology supports your life in the background, rather than demanding your constant attention. It frees up your hands, your eyes, and your mind to focus on what truly matters, living your life, not managing your devices. Pure, unadulterated convenience. And finally, the ultimate disappearance of the smartphone, wearable intelligence. We're not just talking smartwatches anymore. Imagine smart fabrics woven into your clothes, tiny, discrete sensors embedded in your jewelry, or even directly on your skin. These aren't devices you carry, they're devices that become part of you, constantly monitoring your health, your environment, and connecting you to the digital world in the most subtle ways imaginable. Your entire wardrobe, your accessories, even your skin, becomes your new interface. Talk about taking personal tech to a whole new level. How does this always-on wearable intelligence actually function? It's a network of microsensors designed to be unobtrusive and comfortable. These sensors track vital signs, monitor activity levels, detect environmental pollutants, and even sense your emotional state through subtle physiological changes. This data is then wirelessly transmitted to your personal AI, remember our voice AI friend, providing real-time insights and proactive alerts. Your jacket tells you about UV levels, your ring monitors your sleep, your entire environment becomes an intelligent extension of your being. It's truly living connected. The perks of wearable intelligence are game-changing. Imagine a system that knows your body better than you do, predicting illness before it strikes, optimizing your workouts, and tailoring your environment to your exact comfort levels. It's constant, unobtrusive health monitoring, personalized climate control, and effortless security, all integrated into your daily life. No more apps to open, no devices to remember, just a seamless, intuitive layer of intelligence supporting your every move. It's the ultimate in personalized, proactive assistance, making your life smoother, safer, and healthier without you even thinking about it. Now, here's where the magic truly happens. Imagine all these technologies working together. Your neural interface lets you think a command. Your AR contact lenses display the visual feedback directly in your vision. Your voice AI handles complex queries and proactive tasks, speaking to you subtly through bone conduction or embedded speakers. And your wearable intelligence constantly feeds personal and environmental data into the system, making everything hyper-personalized and contextual. Your phone isn't a device anymore, it's an invisible, intelligent ecosystem that encompasses your entire world. It's the ultimate smartphone replacement, the world itself. So, what does this seamless, smartphone-free future feel like? It means less distraction and more engagement. You walk down the street, fully present, but with intelligent overlays enhancing your vision. You communicate with friends across the globe, seeing them as if they're right there. Your home, your car, your clothing, they all respond to your thoughts and spoken words, anticipating your needs. No more hunting for your phone, no more missed calls because it was on silent. Just pure, unadulterated flow, where technology serves you, invisibly, effortlessly, constantly. This is truly living in the future. Perhaps the greatest benefit of all this invisible tech? We get our humanity back. Think about it, less time staring down at a screen, more time making eye contact, appreciating our surroundings, and genuinely connecting with each other. The goal isn't just cooler gadgets, it's about freeing us from the digital shackles that ironically keep us from fully experiencing the world and each other. When technology becomes truly seamless, truly invisible, it allows us to be more present, more engaged, and ultimately, more human. It's not just tech evolution, it's social evolution. So, there you have it. The future where smartphones are officially obsolete, replaced by an incredible symphony of neural interfaces, AR contact lenses, holographic communication, advanced voice AI, and pervasive wearable intelligence. It's a world where technology doesn't just enhance our lives, it becomes indistinguishable from it. It's a bold vision, possibly a little scary for some, but undeniably exciting. What do you think? Are you ready to ditch your phone for a more integrated, seamless, and frankly, mind-blowing future? Let me know in the comments below, And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-bending tech insights.